to evaluate the surface integral of f vector dot product with n vector ds, where f vector is given to us and S is that part of the unit sphere which lies in the first octant. Because this sphere is lying in the first octant, that means if we are taking the coordinate axis, this is x, this is y, this is z. So the part of the surface of the sphere S lies in the first octant only, that is your xy plane. So for that, ds is equal to, yes, it is dx dy, because it is lying in the xy plane, divided by mod of n vector dot product with k vector. These formulas I have already discussed in the previous contents. Please check these over there. So we need to evaluate this integral. So that is equal to the double integral f vector dot n vector. So for ds we write dx dy divided by mod of n vector dot product with k vector over the projection R, where R is the projection of S in the xy plane on xy plane. Right? Now we need to find the unit vector normal to the surface S. So n vector is equal to what? It is grad of phi divided by mod of grad of phi. Now as the unit sphere is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, so we are going to use this as our phi for finding the unit vector normal to the surface S, which is lying in the first octant. So what is grad of phi then? Grad of phi is curly phi over curly x I vector plus curly phi over curly y j vector plus curly phi over curly z k vector. So writing here, what is curly phi over curly x from here? It is, what is curly phi over curly x from here? It is, so curly phi over curly x, this is 2x then I vector plus curly phi over curly y is 2y j vector plus curly phi over curly z is 2z k vector divided by its mod, that is 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square under the root. Let's take 2 common from the numerator and taking the square root of 4 common from the denominator. So that 2 and square root 4 will cancel out and we get xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector divided by x square plus y square plus z square under the root. And x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. So this is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Reason, x square plus y square plus z square, this is equal to 1. This is given to you. Alright, so putting the value of n vector over here, we get double integration f vector dot, this is xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector divided by the mod of n vector dot product with k vector dx dy. Writing the value of f vector which is given to us, that is yz I vector plus zx j vector plus xy k vector, its dot product with xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector divided by mod of, okay, what is the dot product of this vector and k? It is z only, dx dy. Writing mod of z as z only, double integration, okay, on R, dot product of this factor and this. So that is xyz plus xyz plus xyz divided by z dx dy. So this is 3xyz, right? And this z will go and we get 3xy, right? Okay. Let's put the limits of x and y now. Because the part of the surface of the sphere lies in the first octant, so for the first octant, that is the xy plane, what is z? It is 0. So x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 becomes x square plus y square plus 0 square equal to 1. That is x square plus y square equal to 1. So for the xy plane, the equation of the sphere becomes x square plus y square equal to 1. Z is 0, right? Okay. If you consider this black colored strip, so what is the limit for x? It is, from here just get the value of x, that is 1 minus y square under the root. Because this strip is touching this surface where the value of x is square root of 1 minus y square. So the limits of x are from 0 to 1 minus y square under the root. And the limits of y are from 0 to 1. So writing this integral further as double integral 3xy taking 3 outside xy dx dy. And the limits for x are from 0 to 1 minus y square under the root, and the limits of y are from 0 to 1. Please remember that always take the constant limits for the outer integral, right? Solving this inner integral first. So this is x square y divided by 2 and the limits from 0 to 1 minus y square under the root. That is equal to 3 divided by 2 from 0 to 1 integral, putting the upper limit of x. So this is 1 minus y square minus 0. So that is y minus y cube. Integrating this further. So this is 3 divided by 2. Integration for y is y square divided by 2 minus integration of y cube is y the power 4 divided by 4. And the limits from 0 to 1. So that is 3 divided by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 0 minus 0. So this is 3 divided by 2. 1 divided by 4. And that is 3 divided by 8 as your required answer. Thank you.